Hello there, it's Andy Williams from the TA Training Organisation with my lockdown haircut at the moment. I can't wait to get it cut. I'm here to talk to you about the workshop that's just approaching. It's on the 24th of April, which is a Friday from 6 to 8 p.m, so 2 hours of quality workshop with 3 trainers online. And it's called Vitality in a Virtual World. And we'll be looking at least 3 ideas. We're going to be looking at the practitioner and where is their locus of control in terms of creativity. Is it inside of themselves, or are they looking to the other for approval? So we'll be looking at that idea. We'll be looking at the idea of physis and the child ego state, and that creativity is at the heart of our being. We just can't resist it. And we'll also be looking at ideas about how to use imagery when you're working online with clients. We very much hope that you'll come and join us. The link is no doubt down below or perhaps up above, and we'll see you on the 24th. All the best.